Gold daily chart. Finally last week price made new all-time high near 2800, and this WXY wave pattern is still 2720 big static support level. This is necessary to confirm that these are 135 impulsive wave or just WXY wave, because where price goes, sentiment goes, and you have big Trump news, and we have to see which will drive market most. NFP on Friday or something new from Trump before Monday market open, or Monday same like last week. But tariff are one of the biggest reason gold going up. So if price make correction, because now everything is clear, FOMC they pause interest rate. For Biden they were doing big size 50, but for Trump they stop rate cut. That length of rate pause totally depends on Trump tariff, because right now inflation on every metrics it is rising. Inflation expectation they are also rising. So if tariff turn into trade war, retaliation from other country, then inflation expectation will jump more. And who knows, Powell is using those tariff inflation expectation as excuse for extended rate pause. So price need big correction because it is overbought and sentiment are plus infinity once again. So downside risk can be up to 2720, or you can say as long as price trading our 2720 level, technically it is bullish, because last week there was a small decrease in COT position. So on this area they are not buying. So everyone is waiting for big dip. So this support area will be big buying zone, because if price goes more up from here, it is going up, then possibility of profit trigger, because on each psychological level you saw there was profit taking, and we have to see if somebody take profit or not at 2800 level. Because what Trump is saying, 100% tariff on all BRICS country, then implementing those tariff is not easy. For sure BRICS will retaliate and trade war. So inflation will increase everywhere, inside USA and outside USA. And before trade war begin, before inflation start rising, Fed changed their monetary policy tone in big way, rate pause. But you cannot cut interest rate when inflation already rising and clear threat or more inflation in future. Big shocking change for US economy. Let's see what Trump do, but this is total madness. Because first you did 0% interest rate, then QE in 2022. Now blaming Biden for inflation, and you are ready to create more inflation. So FOMC blackout over. Be careful what FOMC members say. More speech coming this week. But biggest news will be NFP on Friday. Before that, ISM service PMI, your most important news, and your JOLTS number. Since you all remember that Trump is decreasing immigration in USA, those people are out. So be careful if NFP number decrease or not, because Biden immigration policy have big impact on NFP number. So if big shocking change come from Trump or other country who retaliate against Trump tariff policy, watch carefully if FOMC member react in hawkish way or not. But right now there is more than 1 month for their March FOMC meeting. It is too early, even if they cut in March. So be careful if NFP decrease because of those immigration number, then tone can change big way. Because there were many reasons. Last week there was big sentiment change. Previously we were told that China controlled gold price and demand. But now last week we were told again it is USA who control demand and who control price. There was big difference between COMEX gold price and spot price. There was a kind of bank run from London to USA. Because everyone know those tariff is economic suicide for everyone. But blame game has begun, all problem and blame Biden. Hard to believe that they will begin that tariff war and wait and watch inflation start exploding. But this feel like this is perfect excuse for Fed to justify their rate pause, because right now nobody is saying this Powell was wrong on inflation all the time for entire Biden term. Because they are in rate cut mode, they cannot hike, but by rate pause they confirm they were wrong on transitory inflation and they were wrong on premature rate cut for Biden. Because this feel like Russia-Ukraine war, which was a great reason which priced out all rate hike in beginning. So any pushing from Trump or maybe other country can create big action, or they increase trade war to next level. Then gold is ready to range breakout. You can see last week high $2,800, but still GDX top to bottom only 50% retracement, retest of previous high. So gold can go $3,000, but still GDX will be trading below 44. So last resistance retest, 50% retracement complete top to bottom. GDX trading big resistance zone 38 to 40. If you see silver, despite gold trading 2800 last week, still silver did not break out the range. It's still inside the range. You can see after breakout of this trend line, finally price testing this trend line. This difference between gold and silver price, that is your recession trade. Industrial metal down and safe haven asset up. For gold weekly time frame, if you see each week since beginning of the month, last month, every week gold was going up. So maybe it need correction, because every week blue candlestick is danger sign. For intraday scalper H4, top to bottom is still few retracement zone. They are below static support 2720. And you have parallel channel with lower trend line as a strong dynamic support lever. As long as price trading above this trend line, technically it is bullish. So you will see retest of upper trend line and buy retest of lower trend line. If lower trend line break out, then you can expect retest of 2720, retracement top to bottom entire triple zigzag wave, because in that condition retest of lower trend line and targeting straight to 2720. But bullish as long as price trading above this trend line. So price goes more up, upper trend line retest will be dynamic resistance, static level clear on daily chart. But support is still same 2720 level. Back to daily time frame, you have clear static support and resistance level. Before more upside, gold need a correction. But cut before election, then pause immediately after election. This is the biggest change very fast in Fed monetary policy trend.